All right, if you have s is equal to n over n plus 1, right? To isolate for n, okay, first thing you have to do is multiply both sides by n plus 1. That goes away, you get n plus 1. S is equal to n. Distribute this. Okay, you get that. And then now you got to bring that over to the other side by subtracting both sides by Sn. And if you factor out dn, you get this. So n, if you want to isolate it, you have to divide both sides by 1 minus s. Okay, so n is equal to almost, right? S over 1 minus s, not s minus 1. So it's incorrect, but it's quite close.